The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is coming in hot. Leaks are pouring in from all corners of the industry, be it carriers, online tipsters, or retailers. Now we have another alleged camera sample from the 200-megapixel shooter on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Prolific Twitter leakster ISOCELL is back at it again with another major snippet of info regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time around, we're treated to a camera sample. But wait, this isn't your ordinary regular camera sample. It's a 12x crop out of the main 200 megapixels HP2 camera sensor that will debut inside the Galaxy S23 Ultra in roughly 10 days' time on February 1. Normally, if you wish to capture a regular photo with the same framing on any of Samsung's previous Ultras, the camera would have intelligently switched over to the 10x optical zoom periscope lens already, improving the sharpness and level of detail. However, this doesn't seem to be the case in this situation. The regular camera was used to take a photo, and then it was zoomed in 12x times to this specific area. According to the leaker, the image isn't taken from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's telephoto or periscope cameras, but rather represents a 12x enlargement of the main wide camera. Usually with this level of cropping in, we'd expect to see a bunch of pixelation and signs of the heavy image processing that every smartphone camera has to employ. However, this image is relatively clear of such digital artifacts. In a follow-up tweet, ISOCELL reiterates his impression that HP2 200-megapixels photos look completely different from HP1, HP3, and HM1, HM3, and they are hardly sharpened, so the photos look delicate and natural, without too many traces of processing. Surely we could have judged this by ourselves if we were given the full photo sample, but alas, the leaks first works in mysterious ways, and we don't tend to look a gifted horse in the mouth. If this is indeed a Galaxy S23 Ultra camera leak, we could be looking at a major advance in smartphone image quality from Samsung's forthcoming flagship. In subsequent tweets, ISOCELL claims that the quality of the photos from the ISOCELL HP2 sensor look completely different from previous high-resolution Samsung sensors, with a distinct lack of sharpening for a delicate and natural look. Of course, this shouldn't be taken at face value. Even if this is indeed taken from the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it doesn't offer any insight into the general shooting experience with the new phone. Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting the 200 megapixels main camera, utilizing the 1.13 ISOCELL HP2 sensor with f1.7 aperture and quad-phase detection. A big hardware change over the previous 108 megapixels camera sensor that made an appearance inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The camera sensor certainly employs advanced pixel binning. You can't expect to capture 200 megapixel shots by default, utilizing a so-called Tetra 2 pixel technology, which merges 16 pixels into one at 2.4 micrometer during regular shooting conditions, but 50 megapixels 1.2 micrometer photos in low light conditions that merge 4 adjacent pixels into one. Things like shooting speed, autofocus speed, low light performance, and overall image quality, not just sharpness, are still up in the air, and only a thorough hands-on review will reveal such things. Still, it's a deeply encouraging sign. Samsung will announce the Galaxy S23 Ultra alongside the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus at an Unpacked event on February 1. So stay tuned to the channel for more Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.